सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a vector based design using Adobe Illustrator. So here I go with Adobe Illustrator and I click on create a new button. I want to create a new artboard. So here is my new artboard and I am going to click on print, and in print I select A4 size. I need a A4 size paper and then click on create button. So here is my new artboard. Today we are going to learn how to create a vector based design using Adobe Illustrator. So here I start with star tool. In star I just click selecting the star tool, then I click on artboard, just click, and then change the radius into 1 inches and second radius will be 0.9 inches, and my sides I need 15 sides. Then I press OK. So here is my star. Then I need a smooth in the corner, so that's why I go to direct selection tool. So here when I click on direct selection tool, and after selecting direct selection tool, just drag for rounded corner. So I drag this for making rounded corner. So here is my rounded corner. I just increase the stroke width, right? So after that I just press Ctrl C for copy and paste Ctrl F for paste in front, and I just scale down and change the color into black, and my stroke color will be none, right? Easy. So then what I do, okay, after making this I am going to select a rectangle tool here. Okay, I make a small rectangle here, fine. Then I'm going to select rotate tool, right? I want to rotate this rectangle. So for that, what I did, this is a tips and tricks for you guys. Just select the rotate tool first. I want to rotate from here. I want to make a registration point from here. So what I do, just click the alt key and just click on it, simple. After clicking, I need 10-degree rotation, right? And I need a copy for it. Copy. Then what I do, go to transformation and transform again, Ctrl plus D. So look guys, this is easy tips for you, right? Then I select all of these and press Ctrl G for group and change the color into white. Okay, after making this I just scale this, right? Then I select all the objects and go to alignment, horizontal center, vertical center. Easy. Then I want to write something here. Right, I have semi-bold and I am using leading, and go to paragraph and center line, and I just drop here, right? After that I want to make a ribbon here. I need my vintage will be bolder, right? Then what I do, I want to make, right, I make a rectangle here and change the stroke into this color and increase the stroke width. Then I press Ctrl R for ruler, right? Then what I do, I just select the select the circle and click on add anchor point. I add an anchor point, one is here and one in here. Then I select the add anchor point where I'm adding, and here is option is called cut path, and here also I select here cut path, right? So what I do, here is my path, look, and I delete the upper one. So this is basically a path. I want to convert this path into shapes, so therefore I go to object menu and click on expand, just press OK, right? Easy. Then I want to make a square here and just add an anchor point here, and right, I'm adding my anchor point here. So easy. So here I copy this, and I have a tool is called reflect tool. Just reflect this tool and drag to, it's easy, and select all of them and select the outline tool, double click on an outline and change the color into white, right? It's easy. And then select all of these and right click, group them. Okay, the next step is I want to write something, so I make a circle here and I'm going to type on path tool, and type in path tool, I just click on my path and I ESTD establish 1981. So here I write, and I need to increase the font size, so my font size will be, yeah, it's cool. And then go to type tool, and type tool, that the option is type on path tool, and type on path tool, that the option is type on path tool option, and I just click and flip, easy, and then press OK, right? Then what I do, I just go to type tool and create outline my text. This is so easy and simple, and change the color into white and select all of these and press Ctrl G for group, and I just drag this one from here and then scale the size. Okay, and then go to select all of these and go to object and click on expand and select the guide and delete the guide. So here is my design, a badge design, vector badge design using Illustrator. After making this, I just drag this one and I want to change the color, and I select all of these right. So here is my base design. If you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.